says, Bradley, what are your thoughts on creating service pages targeting large national brand searches like Roto Rooter, Plumber, or TrexDex in addition to plumbers in Denver? I'm not saying just make a branded LOG site for Roto Rooter. I'm saying using the Roto Rooter brand for some of the service pages. I hope that makes sense. Thanks. Yeah, but problem with that is if you do that, you will likely get a trademark infringement and a cease and desist letter, excuse me, from an attorney for those companies. Trust me, it'll happen. We buy expired domains all the time, and we relaunch expired. And when I say relaunch, we take expired domains and then publish a site on them with brand new non-branded content. And we get all the time, I get emails from attorneys telling me that we are infringing on trademarks because the domain name has a company's name in it, and we purchased it and have it published on the web. No kidding. I've gotten several of those in the last 3 months. No kidding. Where I've had to basically terminate the site. And in some cases, they ask to have the domain transferred to them. In many cases, they say, just delete the site, take it offline, and I'll take it down and replace it with another site, if that makes sense. So you got to be real careful when you're using company names. Now, here's a better option. Why not squeeze that stuff into the schema so it's not publicly seen, right? Try that. I've not done that, but you can, I mean, I've not tested with that, but why not? Why not try it? Why not put in there like knows about, right? Knows about attributes and local business schema. You could reference the other companies, right? For example, just test with it. All I'm saying is be careful when you're using other branded names because you can get in trouble. You can be sued for that shit. So just be careful.